Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well. And today I got another excellent recipe for you. Chicken palak, which is chicken and spinach. And I'm going to get straight into it as usual. Okay, so we'll make a start. So I'm going to need 1 cup of oil for this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After adding the oil, I let it heat up slightly. Then I'm going to add about 3 cloves, a few curry leaves and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Bismillah. And then I'm going to add 2 medium onions chopped up. Bismillah. Once the onions go nice golden brown, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Bismillah. Give that a mix. After putting the garlic and ginger paste in and that's gone a nice golden brown, I'm going to add the chicken. After adding the 1 kg of chicken and it's gone a slightly whitey colour because it's starting to cook, I'm going to add 2 chopped tomatoes. And then give that a good mix. And so everything's nicely mixed in, all the herbs and spices and the tomatoes and the ginger and garlic paste. After putting the tomatoes in and giving it a good mix, I'm going to just sprinkle it virtually with water, a bit of water. Chicken's been in there for about 5 minutes now, cooking away after I added that water. So I'm going to add the rest of the herbs and spices. I'm going to start off with 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves, also known as kasturi methi. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. 1 teaspoon of salt, but salt to taste, whatever you prefer. And then give that a good mix. Oh, that smells lovely already. Just give it a good mix so all the herbs and spices are nicely mixed in, and you'll smell that aroma coming up straight away virtually. That's beautiful. So I've been cooking it for about 5 minutes now, the chicken, after I added all them herbs and spices. I'm going to put about half a cup of water, or whatever you require to cook the chicken in. And just give it a bit of a mix. After giving it a good mix, I'm going to cover it and let it simmer on low heat till the chicken's virtually cooked. Okay, this has been simmering away for about 10 minutes now. Oh, that smells lovely. That's nice and tenderish. So now I'm going to add half a cup of coriander and about 2 chilies cut up and 1 whole chili with slits. Okay, now I'm going to add the spinach in. But you can use tinned spinach, but I'm using fresh baby spinach, which I boiled for about 10 minutes and then blended them down. So there's just over a cup there. So the spinach is virtually done because I boiled it, like I said. And then give it a good mix again on medium heat. So now I've added the spinach in and give it a good mix. I've turned it to low heat and I'm going to let it cook with the spinach in there for about 7-8 minutes so the water evaporates. Okay, this has been simmering away with the spinach in it for about 7-8 minutes now, and this is virtually done now. Just give it a mix and then just take it out. This smells absolutely beautiful, this does, mashallah. MashaAllah guys, a beautiful dish, so easy to do. It's just a fabulous dish this is. And please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.